In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. First, open your web browser and go to the official Adobe website. Find Adobe Illustrator and click Start Free Trial Next. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll select the individual plan. Enter your email address and click Continue. Complete the required information, including your payment details. Adobe may ask for a valid payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the free trial ends. Accept the terms and complete the sign-up process. Now, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're signed in, go to the Apps section, find Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. After the installation is complete, you can launch Adobe Illustrator and start using it during your free trial. And that's how you can download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac.